Hello cookies, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name is Carolyn Gray. We discuss all things fashion, and sometimes I show you snippets of my everyday life being an entrepreneur living here in New York City. But today it's another show and tell, so grab a drink, get a snack, and have a seat, because I'm going to be sharing a few things about some recent Zara pickups that I'm like, you know what? I done accidentally got a little capsule going and didn't even realize it. Yeah. The last video I told y'all, we know we lied. Well, I lied to y'all and to myself that I wasn't going to be shopping. But there was some things that I picked up along the way. And after I realized what I had accrued, I was like, well, there needs to be a video. And here we're going to get into it. I'm going to show you all the pieces that I got. And then I'm going to do like a mixture of all of them to show you how well they mix all together. Now, all of these are from, actually 3 pieces are from the Gap, which I've really been feeling lately, all over again. It's like 2006 all over for me. This Zara, some girl got that on TikTok and I was like, yes, please, I think I like that. I got regular basic, what is this string? Squeeze me. You're not, what are you doing in there? But yeah, basic tops from Zara. For like 10 bucks every year. I always get a few more tanks because like I wear them and then they get dingy through the summer, and then I'm like, okay, enough is enough. Then I got these really cool like bottoms. I'm like, oh wow, she's all the way see-through, but there's a vision I had for this little midi situation. And then I also had my eye on this. Now I will say, the sizing of these, I wanted it to be very roomy and as long as I could have them because they are cropped. But I got these in a large and I love them. And they have a little bit of like a drawstring waistband and elastic. So works very well together. Just want to put that out there so we know, like, this one's a funky size. So if you're interested, go into a store if you have them in your neighborhood, or buy a few different sizes just to see the variants. And then this white denim maxi skirt. I feel like at this point we all have some kind of maxi skirt, whether it's denim, black, satin, I don't even know. But at this point, I feel like I've shown you guys all the other maxi skirts that I have, because I love maxi skirts. And I had to get rid of a few with the last closet sale that I did on Instagram. And I also got these because it's been a long time since I had a pair of like striped, they remind me of like painter pants. So I wanted to grab those. And I also picked up a pair of jeans in a color that I haven't had in a really long time. This light gray wash in the straight fit. Honestly, I like Zara jeans. There were a few in the past that I had when I was at different sizes that I wore them to death. And then I bought a pair of these, and they had a big sale on the Gap. I think they're still having a sale. What are these called? I think these are like khakis. Are they khakis but black? I don't know, because they came in a khaki color. So when I see and I feel these, I'm like, oh, cotton twill, khakis. It's giving khakis. And that's how I want to say it for the rest of my life. I'm wearing a pair of black khakis. Okay? But yeah. And this is actually a tall length because I wanted to make sure that I had the long inseam to wear it with heels. And then another 2 tops. Oversized black button down and an oversized white button down from the Gap. I got both of these in an extra large because that's how exaggerated I wanted the volume to be. And I love them. And I know that this particular cotton poplin is going to last. I think you guys heard me speak about this before. When it comes to Zara poplin, I don't like it. She's a little off. She's a little off to me. And then this number, she's a cream denim trench from Zara. I'm very excited about her. So I have a few pairs of shoes here, but I'm going to style these all together to show you how many different ways like this can be worn versus obviously a tank is staple. But we're going to see how it goes with some of these quirky bottoms too. And I really like Like, unknowingly, this is a little baby capsule. I'm proud of myself because I did it so blindly. But I'm going to show you how I pair this together, and it's going to be a good look. Let's get into it. was fun. Honestly, I'm having trouble with like my lighting in this space. I'm trying to figure it out, but I hope it all went smooth, because at one point I was just like, whatever, it's gonna be what it's gonna be today, because I can't. But isn't that like wild how many outfits came out of those like few pieces? I really want to go towards like a very soft living aesthetic, even though my life is not soft at all. Hard landing. But I want to have like easy button downs, like just throw it on with a silky pair of pants or like a skirt. Even this like the knitted skirt with the, it's really cool and interchangeable, and I feel like it's a pop-out piece. It's a conversation starter, but it's also a really cool different type of basic, you know, but keeping it light colored, creams and ivories, navy mixed in. That trench coat, like, you can never go wrong with a trench coat. But the fact that it's like a light, it's an ivory creamy denim, it definitely gives some spark. And I feel like if I ever get like a crazy stain on it, I could just do some white paint splatter and it will also give it like a new age definition. Like, I am really excited to just ease into these looks for the summer, and well, spring and summer. So I figured, I'm like, wow, okay, there's so many different looks I can pull together. As I was like putting everything in my closet, I was like, I see so many puzzle pieces going together here, and I really am now. I'm so excited, and I feel like I don't have to really update my shoe situation, because as long as I keep it neutral, then it's not much I need to think about. And a lot of these outfits too, I can see going straight into evening attire, or like, you know, going on a rooftop dining experience, or chilling with my friends at a restaurant in the summertime. Like, it's cute, it's effective, you feel good, like it's sexy too, the pieces that I pulled together. I'm really looking forward to getting dressed this summer. Like, I'm going to take full advantage. Last summer, it just went by so fast, and I felt like I only wore like 3 things in my closet consistently because I was working in the office and all that. But I'm going to really make an effort to put on these outfits and more to really enjoy the summer. Like, once I'm done with work, I'm not gonna go crazy working hard late at night this summer. I'm gonna enjoy my time with my friends, because New York City summers, there's nothing like it. Like, I understand a lot of people leave the city during the summer and stuff, but we love to stay in the city during the summer, because it's special. It's special, and you want to really enjoy it, because once them fall months and winter months come back around, baby, and then it's layering season and it gets really cute up in there. I want to dress for the New York City breeze, even if it's humid, muggy, and smells like a little bit of garbage. It's okay, because we are living our best lives. Let me know what your thoughts are on this particular episode. What were some of your favorite pieces? Don't forget to subscribe, but meet me in the comments below. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.